Joe. Okay. You really gotta work on your skills.
I don't know what I was trying to do.
I don't know, you must have been locking it or something. Okay, so say hi to Johnny.
Hello, Johnny.
We're gonna give you a tour of where we staying at.
This is a tour of our house.
Let's see. In here.
What does this button do? Does this...
That's the lock.
See, because the entire time you were like, let me in, and this thing, and I couldn't figure out where that was coming from. And I kept asking it, and then a big woman down there was like, you'll never do it that way.
I should have just brought the key. I should have just brought my own key. Alright, Joe, you gotta get in the video. So, give a tour. What is this?
Do I die in here? Is this like this is an execution video? You're just putting me in here.
I'm not putting
and
you in
lock
that.
it, and
I'm saying, I'm saying lead the tour. Lead the tour and say what this is.
Yeah. Here,
right.
Love, Jonathan, is safe. Keep all your safes.
That's gonna entertain him for hours.
You can get it make lots of different sounds. Really good.
And there's pillows up there for the guest. If we had any other friends.
I got it open.
Yeah, I think it starts open. That wouldn't make sense if you had to know code. Alright. And behind door number 2. Joe, come on. Come out of the closet. Come out of the closet, Joe.
I'm in the closet.
You're trapped in the closet. Come on.
I'm not in the closet.
Come on. Come on.
I'm not in the closet.
Alright, but this is... Alright. I'm doing the tour without you. Except I need you.
This vessel, I'm onto something. This vessel, what I have here.
Yeah.
I feel like it has a few water powers. I feel like I'm so close.
Yes. We gotta finish our tour. We haven't got past the thing. Come on. What do you think is cool in this room? And let's show Johnny. It's not in here.
Wait, we haven't even left our apartment yet.
No, we're not leaving.
Are you kidding? We haven't left our apartment? Oh my god, is that what the red door is? I just had no idea.
Okay, let's come in here. Stand up.
I went in there and it was honestly like a nightmare. Like, I got in there and it was like everything, like, well, it was a nightmare. And there's no really other words to describe it. It's like,
okay, so there's a nightmare in the red door. But let's carry on.
But there's a nightmare.
Come on.
You know, when people is it just still you and me?
Yeah.
See, it's not though. That's the thing. It's not like
it is now.
When I lose my ability.
Joe's always looking for cooler friends than me in Las Vegas. I'm not good enough.
See, I have this power, and I didn't realize that I have this power until now. But I can separate.
Let's do the tour.
I can separate